Hey, it's Jameson, and it is time for an unboxing, and not just one package, but two. If you follow me on Facebook, I had posted that I received two packages, and I was going to do an unboxing, and were there any guesses of what I got? And so here they are. So the first one is small, and I am excited to try these. It is a set of geometric casters from kcrafts.com. kcrafts.com. These are molds that are in different shapes. They're a high-grade stainless steel, and let's see, it's taped shut. And so, according to their website, I've never used these, but you know, basically, as high-grade stainless steel, they won't warp and they'll hold up to kiln firing. They recommend that you spray them with Zip boron nitride spray. Man, I probably would have done better if I had just cut this open. Oh yeah, this goes all the way across. I'm just cutting it. So they won't warp. You spray them. You can cast glass in them in these small shapes. So look at all the different geometric shapes that you've got here, and then in 3 different sizes. And so sometimes when you buy cookie cutters, you just don't know how quality they are from a stainless steel standpoint. You also don't know how they're riveted together. Are they you know, soldered with aluminum or something, in which case, or the whole thing's made of aluminum, which is not going to stand up in the kiln. So these are high quality. They were posted for sale when I bought them, on sale, kcrafts.com. I do not know how long the sale lasts, and I do not know how long or how many are available. But if you're interested, that's the website to go find those. Now, the other one is a bigger box. I think I'm going to need to change my setup. Hang on just a second. Okay, I hope you can still hear me. This is going to be a rare video with me in it because this box is pretty big. So I've already cut the top of it open just to make this a little bit easier. When I posted on Facebook, I said, any guesses as to what I'm getting? This is an example where I have no idea what I'm getting. So this is a box from the kind people at D&L Art Glass in Denver, Colorado, and I met that team when I was at Vegas, some members of the team, and then it's under new ownership, and the new owner, Maggie, had emailed me, and we've had an email back and forth now for a couple of weeks, and she said, hey, we just love what you're doing for the glass community in terms of sharing your learnings, and we would love to send you a package as a bit of a surprise. Would you like that? And of course, I love surprises, and I also love packages. So I said that would be delightful. So I asked if you guys had any ideas what I was getting. I don't even have any ideas what I'm getting. This is a surprise to me as well. But I am so thankful that the glass community takes care of each other like that. And as a starving artist, I'll take anything free. So I really appreciate Maggie and the whole team and everything you guys are doing. So let's just tear into this and see what there is. D&L has a glass giant sale, a kind of a glass extravaganza happening in early June. So depending on when you watch this video, it's either coming up or maybe it's already passed. And it sounds fun. It's a massive sale that they're having over a couple of days. I think it's June 5th and 6th, if I'm not mistaken. Should have fact checked myself before I got on camera. But what a neat opportunity to go take advantage of a sale. I've never been to D&L, so it would be fun to just see anyway. So I'm having major fear of missing out, FOMO, here's a flyer. The Glass Bash, the Summer Glass Bash. So let's see, was I correct in my dates? June 6th and 7th, not 5th and 6th, 6th and 7th, Friday and Saturday, June 6th and 7th. Let's see what it says here. So big discounts, giveaways, live demos, vintage glass treasures, huge bargain bins, food trucks, and more. The first 50 customers receive an exclusive goodie bag with a $100 purchase. There's a bunch of special guests there. All the suppliers that we know and love, glass suppliers and tool suppliers and such. And so, and it's free to go. So it sounds awesome if you're at all in the area or can travel. It sounds great. So the Summer Glass Bash with D&L. So this is not a paid post. They just wanted to gift me some stuff, and I said I would love that. And it looks very well packaged, so it may take me a little bit to get through this, but let's just dive in. This in the middle here looks like it might be glass. So let's take a look. Trying not to make a big mess as I get this out. Yeah, this looks like sheet glass. Let's see what we get. Y'all know I'm on Team Bullseye, big Bullseye fan. So let's see what they sent. I'm gonna have to make a mess here and just clean it up later for the purposes of moving through this video. Let's see, move this stuff out of my way. Oh, holy smokes. Well, wow. An experimental quarter sheet of Dichro from CBS. Look at this. That is cool. It's got texture. It's like a reeded glass and it's black and it has that awesome pattern on it. Wow, gang. I'm honored and surprised here. Oh, awesome. This is the new bronze aventurine from Bullseye. Probably doesn't come across on camera as well as it should. I have a tiny sample that you might have seen in a prior video that I brought back from the Vegas Expo, but now I have a bigger piece. This is exciting. Thank you. I'm almost more excited about that than I am the Dichro. Isn't that amazing? Look at this. This is really pretty. Okay, it's me coming in with a little bit of a voiceover edit. So I'm going on and on here trying to figure out what those colors might be and what this glass might be. There was no sticker on it. As you will see, when I flip to the next piece, there is a sticker. And I have found out after I filmed this that this is an exclusive color that Bullseye created for the D&L Summer Bash. And so you can only get it at D&L at their Summer Bash on June 6th and 7th. So isn't that cool? And they were so kind to share a sample of it with me ahead of time. So I'm maybe the first person to receive it. It may or may not be available for purchase after the event, depending on how much they have left. It's while supplies last at that event. So it is Peacock and Neo Lavender and Clear Streaky. Peacock, Neo Lavender, and Clear Streaky. Made exclusively by Bullseye for this D&L event, and you can only get it in Denver at the event. So I am super lucky to have received that, and I just wanted to clarify for everybody watching, it may be hard for you to get, but if you are in that Denver area, you can get your hands on some by going to check it out there. Let's see. This is packed so well. Shipping glass is always interesting, right? But it looks like, oh wow. Trying to pull this out without making a giant mess. This is all, oh gang, I am so honored. Holy smokes, this is so much fun. I know it's more fun for me than it is for you as the viewer, but okay, I'm gonna have to untape all of this and show you what I got. But did you see a flash of another CBS logo there? Let me just dig and make sure I'm not missing anything else on this side. Nope. All right, so let's dig into this. Let me cut this apart. So let's start with what looks like some awesome tools down here at the bottom. You guys wrapped this so amazingly well. Makes me confident. Now I'm very lucky that I have a great glass supplier right here in the DFW area in Art Glass City that sells Bullseye glass in Louisville. And they ship too, but I can just drive over there. Man, this is great. But it makes me confident that if there was something really special that I wanted, or limited edition, or exclusive to D&L, that I could order, and it looks like it would arrive super safely. Clearly these guys know what they're doing. Choice brand glass mosaic cutters, and same brand, Choice brand, some breaking pliers, and then Grosing pliers as well. And it's as if they were reading my mind, because I totally need either new wheels or new nippers altogether, so I'm excited about that. And same with the Grosers. My Grosers are just old and not the highest quality tool. I bought them early on when I was getting into stained glass, and I bought cheap because that's what I could afford. And so having some nice quality tools is exciting. Look at this. Let me just cut this off of here like so. They sent me the a sampling of Frit from CBS. So this is, you know, for me, 90 COE, Flake Frit samples. Includes rainbow dichroic, 5 transparent colors, 1 black and 1 clear. Oh, that is generous. You guys are amazing. I'm so lucky to, you know, have found or created this you know, glass community of my own here with YouTube and with Facebook, and I enjoy the conversations and the connections. That's why I loved Vegas so much. It was so awesome to meet so many people that I know the name, I know your comments, I know your names from my group, from other groups, but to get to meet everybody in person, meeting some of the team from DNL was so great. Maggie and her husband, I've been emailing back and forth with Maggie. I'm super excited for them as the new owners of DNL to see what they intend to continue to do, and I'm very eager to get out and visit someday. Denver's an easy flight from Dallas, and so it'll happen someday. This is nice. So 3 more samples here of Dichro. This is thin, has a really cool pattern to that. It is on a piece of black here, but I think it's also, it almost looks like it's got a silver backing to it or something. I'm eager to play with that. Here is another, wow, these patterns and these colors are just, this one says double splatter. Check that out. Again, I'm just blown away at your generosity, team. This is nice. Okay, now there's another side. Check me out here. I got a DNL bottle. Again, it's like you guys are reading my mind because there's stickers over here. And it's so funny because I was telling my wife on my drive home from Vegas, my wife Dawn, many of you met her in Vegas. I said that some of the vendors had stickers, and I got a few. I got a couple of cool Morton stickers from Jen. But I said I really wanted to go around and just collect stickers, and I didn't get a chance to do that. And looky here, now I've got some DNL stickers. That is so nice of you. Surely, no, I was gonna say surely that's it, but no, there's more. Oh, okay, I'm gonna keep digging. I think this is the finale, and I'm super excited about this as well. The new Peacock Frit from Bullseye. So gang, this was so nice of you. So 2 bottles here, medium and fine. Another example of something that I brought home as a sample from Vegas, but just a little 5-ounce sample. These are full jars of both medium and Peacock, and I am so eager to use these as well. Well, again, I didn't pay for this. I feel so humble that you guys sent me such a great box. If you, I would certainly encourage you to support DNL. This was really nice of you. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and like and follow to get updates for more videos. I highly encourage you, if you're in the area, to go to the Summer Bash and let me know what happens there, because I'm again having a fear of missing out. It seems like it might be as exciting as the Vegas Expo. Thank you, team. This was really, really sweet of you. I look forward to meeting you all in person someday. And that's it. I'll catch you all later. Bye-bye.